Welcome to BAS 121. We're on Chapter 10, talking about forecasting, and we're talking specifically about how to take some moving averages. And now we're going to show you, we showed you in the last video how to do that in Excel. A reminder, you just go to Data, Data Analysis, Moving Average, call that up, enter your information. It would be this information here. And how many intervals, how much you want to lag your moving average by, how many weeks in this case, and where you want to put the output. What we're going to talk about right now is a little more powerful tool, and that's in our XLMiner frontline add-in. So if we go to frontline miner, we'll notice we give us in the time series, which is what we're doing, we can do some smoothing. And notice we have different options. We want to do the moving average. And the first thing it's going to ask us for is the range. So we're going to put in, unlike Excel, we're going to put in both ranges, both the data. And that's going to pop up the variables right in here because we checked this thing. First row headers, so it gives it to us. What is the time variable? Well, the time variable is weeks. So we move that over. In our selected variable, what we're trying to forecast is our units sold. The weights is how much interval we want. So we want a 3-week interval. We want to lag it by 3 weeks. Now remember in Excel, we had to generate the forecast. Right here, we're going to say, no, XLMiner, give us the forecast. We just don't want the time series of moving average. Tell us what the forecast is for each week. We hit OK. It's going to take a minute, and it's going to take us to moving average smoothing. It's going to say, here's the fitted model, here's the weeks, here's the actual result, here's what we forecasted, and here's our residual, the difference between the forecast and the actual. And it's going to give us a nice little moving average trend. And down here, it's going to give us some error measures, which we'll explain in future videos. The first one is sort of the moving average percentage, etc. We'll learn how to explain all those. And that gives us all of that with the XLMiner tool. So that's how to use some of the software packages to do moving averages. Any questions, let me know.